If you want to record the game using OBS, it's actually one of the best software out there that you can use. What I will cover today is I'm gonna cover adding scene, add gaming display, add audio, set audio tracks, and also recording camera or webcam separately. So let's get right into it. You're only gonna have like this panel. All you have to do is just right click, add, create your scene. Let's scene 2, whatever. Alright, you're gonna get empty scene like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on it, go add display capture and create new screen. Let's say I'm choosing this monitor and then you click OK. Whatever is going on in this monitor, you're gonna be recording. You're gonna have to add the input, which is your microphone, on that audio input capture 2 and choose your default. Let's say for me, I'm using the Yeti. I'm gonna click OK. You right click on it and go to application capture. You can change the name to whatever you like. I'll leave it as it is. Whatever software that you have it running right now, let's say you're doing your gaming, right? You open your game first and then you select your game and then you click on OK. Whatever that screen is playing, it's gonna recording. So that app, let's say you're playing Valorant, that Valorant gonna be recording the sound. Okay, now add. Let's say you have Discord. You create the other one and then choose your Discord and click on OK. How do you add your camera? You go video capture device, click on OK. What you have to do is click on your device, whatever device that you're using right now, to click on it. For example, this one, right? Alright, now click on OK. And now you just, kind of like going smaller like that if you want to. Now right click, go add, and then do the output capture. You need that. And then select your headphone. Whatever that's happening in your headphone, you're gonna be recording. After you get all this, you're gonna click on this arrow and then untick everything. So right now you have to choose your own track. So let's say your microphone, you wanna be in track 1. Your output, so whatever you're hearing, like doesn't matter Discord, your screen, whatever you hear in your headphone, gonna be in output capture 2. So you go to 5 maybe. Your application beta 3, that should be your game, right? You go to number 2 and beta 4, that should be your Discord. Let's say you go to number 3. If you want to, you can change from 5 to 4 and now you can close. So what happening is whatever you're recording, your audio gonna be recording separate track. It's gonna be so easy for you to do the editing. Now let's go to setting. So you go to output. Right now go to simple mode, it's the best. Alright, you don't have to do a lot for that. Right now what you do is you change your recording path wherever you want it to be recorded. You change it there. Tick all of your audio track, the one that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tick all of them, because if you don't tick it, whatever record there, it's not gonna be showing up in your video. Next, your video encoder. This one is important, right? Try to use your software. So basically use your CPU to record, because if you use the hardware such as like your graphic card to record, when you are playing your game, what's gonna happen is it's gonna start to get stuttering or lagging if you don't have powerful enough GPU, because your CPU is sitting there doing no jack shit anyway. And now your format video, I would recommend to do MKV. It's actually the best for recording. Next thing you do is you go to videos and then set your resolution. So that is your canvas. Your canvas is this one, your screen. What is the resolution you wanna put on? And now output scale. So basically whatever recording, it's gonna be on this, right? For me, I'm doing 2K. And another important thing that you have to keep in mind is when you come to recording, you go to advanced, you have to tick on automatic remix to MP4. The moment you tick on these, the MVK file gonna be automatically transferred to MP4 when you stop recording. So you're gonna have 2 separate files, which is one of them is MKV, the other one MP4. Why do you need this? Because for example, if you're using the Premiere Pro, they don't support the MKV, it only support MP4. So you wouldn't be able to edit it on that software unless you convert the file. How do you recording your camera separately? So what you do is you right click on your video capture device, go filter, right click, add, and source record. I'll give you the link in the description below. You have to download these. Let's go to record mode. You change that into recording, or unless you're streaming and recording at the same time, it's up to you. And now the path, what I would recommend is go browse, create a new file, do camera, Click on that, select. So whatever you're recording, this file gonna be in that camera folder. Okay, and you have to change this to MP4. Okay, let's say you have a green screen. What you do is go add, you go chroma key, okay. Now change your green screen to green if you have a green. Okay, and now try to adjust, play around with it, whatever you need. And then green screen gonna go disappear like that one you see in the background. Okay, so what you do is you go to source record like that one, go download, choose the window installer. Okay, let's say I'm using a window installer. You go extract, and now double click and follow the step. Click on next. And once it's done, restart your OBS if you open it, and right click on your video capture device, go filter, and now your source record should be in there when you right click on add. Let's say I'm playing Google Chrome, let's say. Okay, I'm just gonna play my own video so I'm not getting copyright strike. Okay, you can see, right? What you do now, pretend that is your game. Where is it? Here. Now you choose your game, you click on OK. You see the bar there? Where is it? Yeah, it's moving. It means it's already on, right? Now you start recording. Now I'm talking, test 1 2 3 4, and now stop recording. OBS camera. See, my camera is recording separately now. My another webcam is kind of bad, right? Don't worry about this. But just for example, that is done, and now your gameplay. Now, the moment you drag it in, let's say your Premiere Pro or your DaVinci Resolve, is the same thing. You click, drag it in, put it there. Okay. So now you have two separate tracks now. You can move your camera everywhere around it, and with your voice, you can extract audio, copy if you use CapCut. Alright, now audio track 2, audio track 3, audio track 4. You see, all of the track is recording separately. So that is my game. That is also my game. So what happened is, this track, do you remember that we set it on? Whatever that we hear in the headphone, it's gonna go there. And this one is game only. So basically it wouldn't be recording your Discord or your Google Chrome or your music or whatever. But this one gonna be recording it all. The reason I want you to do this is sometimes you forgot to change your track to the game. And at least you have your backup right there. So you're not gonna be crying like you're playing game for 1 hour and then you lost all of your footages. Anyways, now it should be your microphone that you're talking right there. Recording. See? Now I'm talking, test 1 2. Now, everything is right there. You can move it around, your camera, go up, go bigger, whatever you need. Your music track. Okay, let me move that. Restore. Okay, your music track, you can cut wherever you want. You don't want your voice there, you cut it out. Boom. Your game, you cut that part out, you cut this part out, you don't want that. Now I'm talking, test. See? All of the track and everything in now is recording separately. So that is easy peasy. That one is done. Let me delete. Alright, so that should be everything that I want to cover today for the OBS Studio for game recording. This is actually all you need. You don't need more than this. Trust me, if you're recording. If you're streaming, it's gonna be deeper than that. But like for now, I'm just gonna cover your recording. That is all you need. You don't need nothing else. If you want me to cover something else, please leave it in the comment below. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see me playing another games. I'll see you next time. Thank you.